guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday with Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We have some great new lines for you today. We have, this is a new line called Crackle, or new to us, called Crackle from Northcott. Some great colors. We have a couple greens down here on the bottom shelf because, well, we couldn't fit them all. So that's a good addition to our blender wall. And then we have a couple of, you gonna come this way with me?
You said you were going the other way first.
You pinned me in, I couldn't. We have a couple of good patriotics. I love this Hexy. They'd be great backings or borders or anything like that. So those are some good patriotic additions. And then we're gonna swing around. We have a little bit more Balboa by Sherri and Chelsea. We went ahead and got some more because that was super popular. So just a few bolts there. And then a new line called Golden Astor. It's a Riley Blake line. We thought that was really sweet. It's like a floral fall because of that nice golden color. Really love that. And then you guys have been asking us, oh yeah, I forgot this one over here. Another blender line. Whew, so much buying recently, I forget. This is called Dublin. Now, we ordered all the bolts, but we don't have them all yet. There should be about 10 more colors. This is Dublin by Northcott, so another good blender to be adding into our already large blender selection. And then we've gotten a lot of requests for this, so we finally found a nice looking one and got it. Cheetah fabric. For all you ladies who want a cheetah bag or a cheetah mask.
Or if you're more animal correct, leopard print. Not cheetah, but...
But everybody asks for cheetah print. Okay, so then we got, so along with that Crackle line from Northcott, we got a couple of the 108s as well. We got a nice red and then a gray. So those are some good options for 108s. And then we have a couple new kids lines as well. The first one is called Wild at Heart. Just a couple of these, but we really liked that. Be brave and courageous, explore, adventure. These are Riley Blake prints. Then we're gonna swing around. Two cat prints for you, or two cat lines rather. This is Purrfect Day. How cute is that? I like the little fishies. And then this is Fancy Cats. They're fancy cats. We thought they were sweet. And then, okay, football is upon us, people. The Big Ten starts this Saturday. Along with that comes the Ohio State fabric for you Buckeye fans. So we have this print and this print. This is cool. It shows some of the actual buildings and things like that on there. Then we also have the Ohio State Minky, another round of that to go with it if you want that for backing. And then we finally found some more. It's 60-inch. It is Bengals fabric and Reds fabric. So for you sports fans out there, we got you covered. Let's see. This weekend, what are we doing? It's a pre-recorded. Yeah, had to think of what day it was, guys. We're doing a pre-recorded this Sunday, October 25th, and it'll launch at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight. It'll be a pre-recorded of the Fab Stash show. You can order on there through the comments. I think that's all. All right, happy quilting. Bye.